The 2025 BMW M3 CS is an exciting addition to the high-performance lineup from BMW, representing the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the M3 series. The CS designation stands for Competition Sport, indicating that this model is a more track-focused and exclusive variant of the standard M3, offering enhanced performance, lightweight construction, and refined handling. The 2025 BMW M3 CS lies a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged inline-six engine, which has been meticulously tuned to deliver a staggering 550 PS, 543 horsepower or 405 kilowatts. This power plant ensures that the M3 CS can accelerate from rest to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans on the market today. The engine's instantaneous power delivery is complemented by a refined 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission, which offers lightning-fast shifts and customizable settings through drive logic. For purists, a 6-speed manual transmission might still be available, though its availability could be limited depending on regional preferences. The car's top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. But with the optional M Drivers package, this limit increases to 180 miles per hour. BMW engineers have implemented bespoke tuning for both the suspension and steering systems, resulting in a vehicle that feels agile and responsive at all times. The adaptive dampers allow drivers to adjust stiffness levels according to their preference, whether they are cruising on city streets or carving corners on a racetrack. To enhance braking performance, the M3 CS comes equipped with carbon ceramic brakes as standard equipment. These high-performance brakes provide superior stopping power and fade resistance during aggressive driving scenarios. Additionally, the tires are specifically designed for maximum grip and stability, ensuring optimal traction under various conditions. The M3 CS Touring also stands out for its significant use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which can be seen on the hood's two visible strips, the front splitter, side mirror housings, and rear diffuser. The material also appears on the grille, which has the same trademark red lining as BMW's previous CS models, and the rear spoiler is also decorated in red. CFRP is also used in the cabin for shift paddles, competition spec bucket seats, and other interior decor. Inside the 2025 BMW M3 CS, occupants are treated to a blend of luxury and performance-oriented features. Standard sport seats, upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, offer excellent lateral support and comfort during long drives. For those seeking even greater rigidity and reduced weight, optional bucket seats constructed entirely out of carbon fiber are available. Technological advancements abound in the cabin, where the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive infotainment system takes center stage. Featuring a large curved display that integrates the instrument cluster and central touchscreen, this system provides intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Track-focused features like the M Drive Professional system with track-optimized functions, including the M Drift Analyzer, cater specifically to performance enthusiasts.